Setting up a brokerage account has never been as easy. The days of mailing your personal information to a brokerage or ringing in your orders seem like a foreign concept to most, but the question we must now ask ourselves: what broker suits me? There are dozens of brokerages that offer their own unique value. Perhaps this comes with zero commissions, custodial account options, or the ability to trade options or futures. In this comparison of Acorns versus Robinhood, I hope to show you why this is a wonderful era for investment apps. There are some cool choices out there if you want to start a portfolio, including these two online investment brokerages. I'm comparing them here because they're two of the biggest buzzwords in online investing right now. But there are key differences between Acorns and Robinhood, therefore, keep watching to get a sense for which investment platform is better for you. So without any further delay, let's get started. So, let's first talk about Robinhood. Robinhood is a mobile-first brokerage that put commission-free trading on the map when it launched in 2014. The company offers trading of nearly all U.S. stocks and ETFs, introduced options trading in 2017, and more recently launched trading for major cryptocurrencies. Currently, the platform has more than 6 million users in the US, and Robinhood doesn't charge anything. That makes it more viable to make smaller investments without losing a large percentage off the top to fees. The company has held a good reputation. While zero commission fees might sound too good to be true, with Robinhood, that's really what you get. Whereas, Acorns was also founded in 2014, but with a focus on helping users invest in ETFs and developing balanced portfolios. The platform currently has around 3.7 million users and manages over $1 billion in assets. Acorns is designed primarily for long-term investors. Instead of choosing your investments one by one, users invest in one of 5 pre-made portfolios that differ primarily in the proportions of asset classes they hold. These portfolios, in turn, are made up primarily of low-cost ETFs from Vanguard and BlackRock. But you cannot customize the contents of their chosen portfolio. Acorns makes it easy to invest with little money and gauges an investor's risk tolerance and goals through a series of questions during the application setup. Like the name suggests, Acorns invests your spare change on a regular basis into a variety of different stocks and ETFs, and rebalances regularly with the hopes of achieving your desired investment goals. Let's take a look at the areas where Robinhood and Acorns differ. Minimum investments. All two services are winners here since neither requires a minimum deposit or investment. So, you can try this apps without any deposit. Annual fees. Robinhood offers 0 free commissions and no fees for its basic account. It offers a gold account for $5 a month, including more features such as margin trading. Acorns has 3 plans, priced at $1, $3, and $5 per month depending upon your subscription. Trade commission. Both platforms provide 0% commission on each trade. Assets. Robinhood provide facility to invest in stocks, ETFs, options, cryptocurrency, and whereas Acorns allow you to invest only in ETFs. Individual stock investing. Robinhood gives you to advantage by investing in individual stock, but on the other hand Acorns does not give you such kind of feature. Retirement account. In Acorns you can open your own retirement account, but in case of Robinhood you cannot open such kind of account. Fractional share. Yes, you can invest in fractional share also in both the platforms. Roundup investing. In Robinhood you cannot do that roundup investing, but Acorns give you permission to do that. Customer service. Both Acorns and Robinhood offer support only via email. There's no number to call. So, this is the disadvantage of both the apps. Security. Both of these apps use industry standard security and encryption. As long as you use a strong password, your account should be safe with Robinhood or Acorns. All are regulated financial companies in compliance with federal laws. Mobile apps. Both services emphasize investing with an Android or Apple mobile device. So, it does not matter whether you have Apple device or Android device. You can access this facility on any platform. Each of the above options are each unique in their own way. Acorns is more focused on helping you for the long term and offer cool services and features to help you do that. Robinhood, on the other hand, gives you access to more investing tools and might better suit a shorter-term trader. Acorns charges significant fees to let you save passively and invest your loose change. Robinhood doesn't charge you anything, but you have to make your own investment decisions. Especially if you're a new investor, either choice could be a nice starting point to get you engaged with investing as a way to plan for your future. So, who are they best for? In my opinion, both of these offerings are a good fit, depending on your needs. Robinhood is best for active traders. This is where you'll want to come if you have some experience and are looking for low-cost, self-directed stock, ETF, options, and cryptocurrency trading. Acorns if best for people who don't want to be bothered with investing. You can set it and forget it. This is hands-off investing for the long term. Both platforms have their advantages, so it's up to you to decide what your investing style and goals are. If you found this video useful, then make sure you hit the like button. That will help my channel to grow, and also make sure you subscribe my channel for future updates. Thank you for your time.